Hello people, welcome back. Follow me, let's cook this palm oil rice together. So I added onion, shallot, pepper, spring onion, hamburger meat, fish, turkey, rosemary, bay leaf. I added my washed rice and I added hot water. So I will stir together, guys. I added some salt, crayfish. I gave it a mix. So now I'll cover it and cook it. So here it is cooked. I added in my remaining of my vegetables and presemolo. So I gave it a quick stir. I'll cover it and I like to steam for 2 seconds. So here is it, ready to be enjoyed. I added crayfish and I will mix properly. All my returnees, thank you for returning. Thank you for always being here. May the God bless you. If you are new, follow for more amazing videos. Follow me on all social network, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. Lady B Varieties is the name that I use. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So guys, this is a quick palm oil rice. It came out so tasty. Do give it a try and you will be glad you did. So I served and I enjoyed it. Come and join me, guys. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.